In this guide, we are going over all of the new codes here in the Forge Roblox update. Before you do get into this guide and go over all of these codes, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's a few new codes, and they give you some pretty awesome rewards, and we're going to go over all of those in just a sec. That being said, make sure when you are typing these codes in, you're typing them exactly as shown on screen. Capital letters do matter. To actually put in these codes, though, go ahead and select the settings here up in the top left and scroll down to the very bottom. And the first code that you're going to want to enter is, and this is all caps, sorry for bugs, just like so. Go ahead and hit claim, and it'll say you get 10 new rerolls, which is pretty awesome. Now, that's not it. We do have another code. The next code is going to be XMAS for Christmas, and then an exclamation mark at the very end. Go ahead and type it in exactly like this. Hit claim, and you will get even more rerolls. And that is all of the working codes as of right now here in the Forge Roblox update. Stay tuned, there's going to be more codes in the future, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel with all notifications on so you don't miss them. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.